Imagine your company is losing money every month. Projects keep missing deadlines, products fail to meet expectations, and the team is overwhelmed. You're brought in to turn it all around. You ask, where do we start? The answer isn't just a quick fix, it's a structured journey. DMAIC is that journey. It's not just a method, it's a mindset for solving problems and driving continuous improvement. In this video, we want you to understand what DMAIC in Six Sigma really means, how it helps identify issues, eliminate waste, and build a culture of quality and lasting performance. Let's discover how DMAIC empowers professionals to tackle challenges step by step and enhance processes in every industry. What is DMAIC? It is a data-driven framework used in Six Sigma projects to improve existing processes. The name DMAIC represents the 5 key phases of improvement: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Each phase has a specific purpose, and together they provide a clear roadmap for solving problems systematically. Let's look at each one step by step. Define phase. The first step is define. In this phase, the problem is clearly identified, along with project goals, scope, and customer requirements. The aim is to answer key questions such as, what is the issue, who is affected, and what are the desired outcomes? Defining the problem properly sets the foundation for a successful improvement project. Measured phase. Next comes measure. Here, data is collected to understand the current performance of the process. The team identifies key performance indicators, gathers baseline data, and measures how the process is performing right now. This step helps in quantifying the problem and provides a factual basis for further analysis. Analyze phase. The third step is analyze. This is where the team investigates the root causes of the problem. They use tools like cause and effect diagrams, Pareto charts, or regression analysis to identify what is actually driving the defects or inefficiencies. The goal is to find the real reason behind the issue, not just the symptoms. Improve phase. After identifying the root cause, it's time to improve. In this phase, solutions are developed, tested, and implemented. The team brainstorms ideas, performs pilot tests and analyses results to see which solution works best. The main objective is to remove the root causes and optimize the process for better performance. Control phase. The final step is control. Once improvements are made, they must be sustained. This phase focuses on monitoring the new process, creating control plans, and setting up regular checks to ensure the changes remain effective over time. Documentation and training are also part of this phase to maintain consistency. Why DMAIC matters. So why is DMAIC important? It provides structure and clarity. Instead of guessing solutions, it uses data and facts to drive decisions. DMAIC can be applied to any process across industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, finance, and IT. It helps reduce waste, save time, and improve customer satisfaction by making processes more efficient and reliable. To sum up, DMAIC is the backbone of Six Sigma. It stands for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. By following these 5 steps, organizations can systematically identify problems, implement solutions, and maintain continuous improvement. Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy and hit the notification bell icon to be first to get notified for more insights on Six Sigma and professional development. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.